Guys, welcome to my channel. Yesterday today I told you guys in my squishy pet peeve squishy video that I would be getting slime, and this is the slime I got. It's a smiley face slime, and my brother got the same thing, the exact same thing. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys. The textures of this slime are clear. It was a little bit sticky at first. And it has this, super cute container. Anyway, the slime texture are like, it's clear, it's glossy, it's clicky, and it's like really good slime. So it's kind of fluffy, like in the middle. And let's get started. So the slime, I just opened the slime. And I'm just gonna see that this is the bottom. Like, this is the container, so let me just open it. See, guys, that looks more than anything. Oh yeah, it's sticky. Guys, you're gonna have to. Guys, you're gonna have to wait so I could set the slime up. Okay, so guys, this is the slime. As you guys can see, it's whoa. It's really glossy. And it's really sticky. I'm just gonna slime. Oh, I'm always doing the slime video. And I'm gonna do a swirl. Kiki. Super cute. I'm gonna try to cover up the camera with it. Oh my god. Guys. Oh. Do you guys see that? What happened? What is happening? Oh my god, guys. Yep, I actually did that to you guys. I know it's really weird, right? Anyway, this is the slime I got. What? Oh my god, I hope I didn't get anything in it. As you guys can see. So this is my sticky clear slime, and since I told you guys I think in my second or third video that you could give me slime dares, slime and squishy dares, this should be one of them, like putting slime on my squishy. But I told you no cutting up my squishies. Like, I can only put slime on them or like do something else to them. But I can't like destroy them because I don't want to destroy any of my squishies. Especially my the one my friend gave me, the little ice cream cone though, I cut that up. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in. So do you guys like my slime though? Comment down below. And my mom promised me she's gonna get more of these. My mom's watching a movie. I don't know why she's watching a movie. Yeah. It's super duper sticky. Ugh. Can't even. So guys, this is my slime. And I'll show you how I got it. So bye.